Hello, in front of me I've got HTC U23 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and go to Display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can change lock screen preferences like privacy on lock screen, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, control from locked device, double line clock, always show time and info, and wake screen for notifications. Next, we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, and also we can enable or disable screen attention function. Then, we can enable or disable dark theme, schedule it, change display size and text size, also enable bold text and high contrast text. Next, we can enable or disable night light and schedule it and adjust its intensity. Then we can change colors mode of the display, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change screen frame rate between 120 Hz, 90 Hz and 60 Hz, and in the end we can enable or disable screensaver. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.